Hi everyone, welcome back to Web of Life. We all might have fascinated by fireflies. Their delightful light display will soon spark our curiosity and capture our imaginations. They are absolutely magical. There are also more interesting things about these tiny friends that we might have not known. Fireflies are also known as lightning bugs, and they are a family of many luminescent insects, commonly known as glowworms. Whatever we may call them, they are not flies, bugs, and not worms, but they are the beetles. Most fireflies are winged, which differentiate them from the other lightning insects of glowworm family. They live in a variety of warm environments as well as in more temperate regions and are a familiar sight on summer evenings. Fireflies love moisture and often live in humid regions. There are more than 2000 species of fireflies worldwide and many species yet to be known. Why do they flash light? Fireflies appear to light up for a variety of reasons. Most of the times, flashes are their language of love. Fireflies use flashes as mating signals. The light that what we see are generally from males looking for females. They flash a specific pattern while they fly, hoping for a female to reply. If a female waiting in the grass or bushes likes what she sees, she responds back with a flash. They will engage in this twinkling conversation until the male locates the female and they will mate. Each species has its own pattern, a code that helps the individuals to identify appropriate mates of the same species. Each firefly species has its own unique signaling system. Some species synchronize their flashes and blink on and off at once. Some other species synchronize their flashes over a period of few seconds, appearing as waves of light and dark that ripples through the forest. Sometimes the fireflies use their lighting ability as a way to keep away the predators. The light may also serve as a defense mechanism, especially in the larva stages. And the interesting thing is that not all adult fireflies produce light or flash. All the fireflies light up in their larva stage, but not all adults use light display. There are several species which are day flying and use pheromones to locate the mates and communicate. How do fireflies light up? Light production in the fireflies is happening due to type of a chemical reaction called bioluminescence. This process occurs in specialized light emitting organs, usually on a firefly's lower abdomen. The firefly's light is code light and may be yellow, green, blue, or pale red in color, depending on the species. These tiny species have very much importance in nature. They are performing many roles for balancing the ecosystems. The larvae of most species are specialized predators, which feed on worms, snails, slugs, mites, or other insects larvae. Some birds, spiders, and frogs feed on fireflies. And many firefly species are pollinators. This makes them good indicators of the health of the ecosystems. But these days, as like any other wildlife, the fireflies are fast disappearing. Their populations are threatened mainly by light pollution, habitat loss, use of pesticides, and climate change. We need to act for not losing these tiny friends, which light up the world. Many things we can do. The main thing is to turn off our lights during firefly season to ensure we have beautiful display for years to come. Let us never lose the magical experience of fireflies twinkling in their natural habitats. We will see more topics in the coming vlogs. Thank you all.